happy first day of our Dominican Republic vlog. I'm so excited, but also very exhausted, and I have so much to do before we fly out. We fly out in 14 hours. I have been super busy because the last couple days have been really eventful. Yesterday we went to Disneyland, and today we went to the fair. This is our prize winnings. It's a ginormous sloth. We also won 8 other giant bears, and I got this cute How cute is that? Oh my god, so cute. He's holding a little brush. Oh my god, so cute. My family won that for me as well. I didn't win that either. My family is amazing and they won a bunch of prizes. I'll insert a photo. But yes, so we just got home. It's midnight and I have so much packing to do. It's literally a mess over here. I literally just threw everything I could think of that I would want to bring. And so now we're gonna pack and then get some sleep, and then in the AM I will have to clean and get everything else ready, and then we're going on the trip. I'm going with my sister and my niece and nephew, and it's gonna be so much fun. So let's get to going to the airport and fast forwarding time and hopefully finishing packing. Let's go. We spent the day at the beach and then we went to the pool. It was really nice. And then Leon slept the whole time.
I did nothing.
He literally did nothing.
Awesome.
And he had a great time. Now we are going to Toro Steakhouse for dinner, and then we're gonna go watch a show. So and get ice cream. And get ice cream. So come along with us. Share with us what we have ordered.
This is a tuna tartare.
Focus, tuna tartare, yep.
Beef empanada, just one. And a mango avocado salad.
This is like spaghetti. Mango? I got a New York steak with potatoes.
That looks really good.
I also got something else.
I think you got like
Green beans. Then Leon got chicken and corn, salmon. Cici got a burger with fries, and Chun got 2 potatoes and corn.
ribeye.
Ribeye.
Look
It's dark. We just finished eating. It was yummy. Jen saw this drink. It's a bomb pop, like the ice cream. Blue and red. Okay, try
It's supposed to be white in the middle.
Yeah.
Try it.
It's Sprite. It's Sprite. Grenadine and vodka. Lots and lots of vodka. It's too much vodka, right? It's way too much vodka. I think you only sipped the vodka.
I can't mix it. It's on the bottom.
It's good, but we need to mix it. wants to go back to the market because she wants pizza. So now she's going to get pizza. Oh my gosh.
We'll put everything.
Day 2. What do we got, Leon?
Room service?
We got room service again.
What is this?
Pasta, chicken and fries,
This is different.
salad, bolognese, pasta, a lot of french fries. These look crispy. They're crispy.
They're warm.
Legit, we've had 6 meals today.
Hey, the guy was like,